How you doing, Bugs? That's pretty far. McAllister, wave! Oh, wave again! Hello, baby David. Are you sliding? Put your foot on that rock there. Down below. Nope. There you, down below. There you go. You got it. Here comes Mom to save you and fall in the creek. Here, why don't you let me help you? Hey.
Let me turn it off.